All right, today's a film day. If you're like, Anna, I've seen you in like that black shirt with your bra sticking out in the last couple videos. Don't judge me. First of all, it's a film day, so I'm filming content today. Second, it's like 100 degrees in New Jersey and it's ridiculously humid. So right now, the only shirt I have that's like not a sleeve because I gotta go shopping is this shirt. So it's comfortable. Also, I did kind of get, they're supposed to be curtain, well, they're technically curtain bangs, but they're kind of like bangs. I have a big forehead, so it does help. Anyway, that's not why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video because we're gonna talk about Hard Candy. So Hard Candy was nice enough and sent over some new products. This is kind of an extension to their Glosstopia lip oils, which are very, very nice, smell good, they're not sticky. So now we have some tinted ones. Let me show you. Also, it's been really cool and I'm super, super grateful. I said this in my last video and I want to say it again. Hard Candy has put me on their PR list as of right now. And honestly, honestly and obviously, I would not even be getting any of these opportunities if it wasn't for your support. So I just really want to say thank you so much for believing in me, for tuning in to watching my videos. And I know life's been a little bit crazy lately. I'm gonna get back onto an upload schedule. I do appreciate your patience and understanding. Kind of have a lot going on right now. Nothing bad. I'm gonna tell you really quick, if you don't wanna see this, just fast forward. I'll put timestamps. If you know, I took in a cat that was in our shed and she was a sweet, sweet girl. I will try to post a picture in here. If not, I'll post it on my community tab. Anyways, sweetheart, she was very underweight. Now she's gained some weight. And her and Luna were kind of getting along, and then we're still in the process of introducing them to each other. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, let's do it in the morning because I felt bad. I didn't want Faye to be by herself. It did not go well. No cats were injured, but it seems like Faye is kind of like charging at Luna, and I've had Luna since she was 3 weeks and she's the sweetest. Like, she's not a confrontational cat. Like, she play fights with us, but the girl can't fight. Not that I expect her to. She's a house cat. All she knows is like me, Chris, and the kids. And maybe this is my fault, but because she's a baby, I've always I kiss her and, you know, I get in her face, and she was getting a little too close in Faye's face. And I don't think Luna has proper cat etiquette because we've had her for so long since she was a baby. Faye didn't like it. And she kind of charged at her and it scared Luna. So right now they are not seeing each other in the moment. So Faye is residing in my daughter's room and she's been a wonderful addition to the family, and Luna is has full range up where we are. So any cat advice you have, please leave it down below. It would mean the world to me as far as introducing 2 female cats. And if anybody who watches me knows about cats, and just really quick, Faye is 3 years old, Luna is 2 years old, and they're 2 female cats. So any advice on introducing 2 female cats, please. Also, unfortunately, Faye is not spayed. So I think that we're gonna get her spayed. Obviously, we're gonna get her spayed. But I'm saying, I think that when we do, it may kind of calm her aggression. It's weird. She's not aggressive like with people. She's great like on her own. I don't know. Okay, I've obviously rambled too much. Anyways, back to the video. So we have, I don't know if this is gonna be totally new, but there is a lip liner. I'm excited. I've been slowly getting into lip liners. I will say, the older I get, now I'm 36 years old, I'm starting to see why lip liner is extremely important. As I've gotten older, my lips, you know, they just change. It comes with age, and that's totally fine. But now I see the importance of wearing lip liner. And I always thought that I didn't need to because I naturally have like the 2-tone lips, so it almost looks like I have a natural lip liner, which, I mean, yeah, that's what I say, it's a natural lip liner. But you can tell that as I've gotten older, like this part of my lip has changed, which I'm fine with. I'm not complaining. I'm just being real with you guys. You know, as we age, things change. So we have a lip liner. It looks like there's 2 ends here. Oh, I like that. There is a little lip brush on one end and then the lip liner. This is in shade, it's called Boyfriend. All right, let's see. Do a little swatchy swatch here. feels very creamy. This is a nice, not totally cool tone. It's like a warmish brown. Very nice. Love that there's a lip brush at the end. So you have the ability to either just line your lips or blend and fill in. So these are tinted oils. I'm curious to see exactly how tinted they are. I love berry colors like this. It's one of my favorites. So, it smells good. It has like a soft vanilla scent. And I think I mentioned this before in the last video where I talked about the oils. And I'm dating myself. Well, I said I was 36 anyways. Do you guys remember the lip smackers, the vanilla lip? It was like a clear one. Somebody remembered it, and if you remember it, comment down below again. That's what these smell like to me, and that's what the consistency is. So this one is called Berry Bounce. Has a nice pigmentation to it. It's almost like, kind of like a lip gloss, you know, like it's sheer. This one is called Ruby Rush. Let's see. In the container, it looks like it's not a very cool color, but that's beautiful. That is like a cherry kind of red. Oh, these, so far these are definitely up my alley. This one is called Pink Slay. Hold on, let me do it this way. That's pretty. That one's definitely a cooler tone. It's got the blue in it. And last but not least, Sugar Skin. I love colors like this. Especially when they're like on the sheer side, it's gonna be like that really pretty nude. Show you up close. Let's see. For starters, let's try the lip liner on.
Has a nice point.
I almost feel like it's the exact same color of my natural darker lip line, kinda. Oh no, it's an Armor. Glides nicely. I love that it's not drying. Alright, let's. It has a matte finish, this liner. It's very pretty. That's the line. You guys are gonna laugh at me when I say this. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand because I don't like to mix colors, like put this on after I put a color on, because I feel like it's gonna mix this color, and it's a pet peeve of mine, so that's why I'm doing that. I'm gonna take this. That is so pretty. So kind of pairing that together is really nice. All right, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna reapply it because I actually wanna see how pigmented that lip gloss is on its own. Obviously the lip liner is gonna give some extra pigmentation to it. Also, if you're like, oh my God, your skin is glowing, let me tell you why. In another video, but I want to tell you guys here because I'm even looking at my glow. This is the new Essence Magic Filter Glow Booster. I got these off of Amazon. Go buy it. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, let's put this guy on by itself. Love the doe foot applicator. It's a nice thick one. So this is gonna have a little soft tint of color. See how it's not as tinted as it was when I had the lip liner? This is like a kiss of color, a sheer color, wash of color. Nice, it's not sticky. It feels like a good soft oil on the lips. The berry one. I love colors like this. Oh, this one's pigmented. Ah, this is nice. I just love a good berry. I have a feeling my daughter's gonna try to take one of these from me. I don't blame her. This is the Berry Bounce. I love that these are not sticky. I always have one of the oils in my purse just in case. And in a pinch, my husband's lips were dry the other day. I kind of like dotted it down and put it on his lips. He said it felt really nice, but we had to like completely pat it down so it didn't look like he had shiny lips. All right, Pink Slay. I do like a good pink color like this. Sometimes it can turn a little blue on me. Oh, that's kind of pigmented. I kind of like that. What do you guys think? I usually don't go for pinks like this. I kind of like that. Kind of think this is the one Lily's gonna steal from me, but I don't know, it's very like, it kind of brightens up my face. And I always say, and this is just makeup artist tip, if you're ever in a rut and you put makeup on and you feel like, I don't know, I just need something, try adding a little pink like lip gloss. You'll be amazed how it just instantly brightens your face. Now that I've taken this off, my face is kind of like, but when I had it on before, there was something about it that just brightened up my face. Always try it pink. All right, last but not least, Ruby Rush. I love reds. These colors that they launched though, I'm really liking all of them. This one though, kind of caught my eye. Of all the swatches, I'm like, ooh, this one I'm excited about. And I'm also gonna put it on my cheek because I'm kind of curious to see if I could do that. I mean, I could do whatever I want, but let's try this one. That is really nice. I would say the Ruby Crush and the Berry Bounce are the most pigmented of the bunch. That's pretty pigmented. It's not like a sheer color, but it's really beautiful. And the color goes on pretty even, which I was kind of curious about because sometimes with these kinds of colors, the reds could be a little bit sheer or whatever. Now, this is what I wanted to do. Because why not? You know, I like to get more out of my makeup. These are not advertised to be as blush, but you know, you're in a pinch and you need to quickly put a lip and a cheek together. I think that's beautiful. All right. Really nice. Super grateful that I was sent these to try out. I'm happy I was. These are really, really beautiful. Like the lip liner, it has a nice matte finish, which is great. And then obviously if you pair a gloss over it, it's gonna be really nice. So I think this is another thing you need to try out. Definitely worth looking into. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. You're gonna be like, wait, this video doesn't make any sense. There was also a clear gloss that I didn't see because it was here. This one is, it just says crystal, and it's kind of bigger than the other ones. Let's try it out real quick. So this is a clear one, Ultimate Lip Shine. So I'm guessing this is going to be a super high shine. I cannot believe I ended this video without even trying this. See, this is definitely one that I would not put something on and then go direct. It would drive me bonkers, and I really hope there's no more color on my lips, but. Ooh. These lip oils feel like a yummy treatment on my lips. Love the scent. It's very nostalgic for me. That is a really pretty high shine glow. All right. That's it. Now we will end the video.